that beautiful sunrise over the small town of Seymour, Indiana. Shoo! Welcome back to CountyLine TV. Today is the first day of MAYhem, and I am ready to party. Alright, we have arrived. It's Taco Day. It's Cinco de Mayo. We have 1, 2, 3 of my cars here, so I'll be able to drive quite a bit this weekend, and I'm really stoked about it. I am super freaking stoked. Got Justin driving the C5 most of the weekend. I'll probably do some celebrity laps in it. He just set up the tires for us, and we got a water hose down there to cool tires off. Everything is going swell. We got several people here already, and gates aren't even supposed to be open yet, so it's gonna be an awesome weekend. I gotta go get my sun hat because it's baking out here. Let's get to it. So what you would have just seen, it was my first couple laps, however many laps that was. VQ things. That was my first couple laps in the Silvia, and it went okay. I was surprised at how the car was able to stay relatively cool with the one fan and no shrouding. I'll fix that and I'll make it better where I can actually hot lap the car. But it stayed relatively cool. I was pretty impressed with it. But I'm sure you noticed the car had zero grip. I don't think it was the track either. I think the car just had zero grip. So I got it in the air right now, and it's got all DriftWorks adjustable arms back here. It has stock lowers, so I couldn't take the camber out the way I wanted to. But I extended the upper control arm a couple turns to try and get some of that camber out, and then I'm gonna have to tow it back in. I'm gonna have to extend the tow arms. So I'm about to go get some tow plates right now from Josh. Josh is here with some tow plates, and I'll get the tow put back where it's close to zero, or I might even just dive straight into like a 1/4 inch tow in because it was really, really bad. Zero grip at all. It was also wearing the inside of the tire is why I'm taking some camber out. Yeah, not ideal, but we'll fix it. Asked my brother to mount some tires for me, and we forgot brake clean at home, but I found some. He's been struggling to get those things to seat up for like a while now. So I need to get this down there, which it's a mile that way where the tire changer is from where I am right now. But I'm trying to get the toe set right on the Silvia, and I can't do that without wheels and tires on the car. And I'd really like to have some wheels and tires that haven't had all the tread burnt off of the inside. So gotta get those other ones mounted right now. All the way at the end of this road. We got fresh 275 Nitto G2s with 3/8 of an inch toe in and pretty flat camber now. So let's go send it and see if it's got any more grip. There's a picture, but I don't know if there's a video. I'll try to get a video. But I screwed up. I did the thing where you start driving right-hand drive and you pull the handbrake, and then the clutch comes out while the handbrake's still pulled because you don't know what to do with your hands because you're on the wrong side of the car. And I snapped both axles immediately, and then it also broke this rear drop knuckle. So, whoops. Now I gotta replace 2 axles and a knuckle and a wheel. Rest in peace.
Just wanna hold it, don't wanna swim it over. It feels like you got it, you want your roller coaster. Don't ask me about my freedom, don't ask me about my wisdom. You want it, you need it, but why?